I don't know why it is, but listening is already so powerful, yet we don't do it that often, right? Everything needs to be fast and people want to talk fast and want to give their own opinion and talk over each other. Well, sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is to listen to what someone has to say. Make them feel heard before you speak your opinion.
Yeah, listening is a gift which you
Yeah.
give to somebody else. And it happens many times in my conversations that the entire conversation, the other person is talking.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the conversation, I feel bad that I didn't do any coaching.
Mm.
And I would tell that person that we didn't get to really talk or
Yeah.
coach a lot. And that person replies back to me that this was the best conversation
I love
because
that.
I listened to it, right? So it's a gift. Listening is a gift which you are really giving if you can really get out of your own head, your own thinking, and listen to the other person, not just what they are saying, but also what they're feeling
Mm.
and then where they are coming from, right? What is it that people care about? Every conversation which you are having, people are always telling you what they care about
Yeah.
or what they don't care about. The only question is, are you listening to that or not? You can listen on the level of words, or you can go deeper and listen on the level of emotion, or you can go even a level deeper and really listen. Why does this matter to you?
Yeah.
If you are telling me something, then there is something about it which matters to you. And can I listen to that? And especially if I'm leading you, if I'm leading a team, then that becomes very significant information for me to find work for you, not just which helps the business, but also which motivates you, which keeps you engaged, which helps you grow.
Yeah.